Alright, welcome to the channel, and today we're going to be creating a new user in AD using only PowerShell. And when we create this user, we're not going to be adding a password to it using PowerShell. That way there is no temporary password on the account. We're going to be adding this user to the administrator group. You can add this to whatever group you want, but I'm going to be guiding you guys how to do this using PowerShell. And first of all, we're going to be, I don't know, you can use whatever IDE you want, or you can write it straight up in PowerShell. You can use Notepad. But for this, we're going to be creating it in Visual Studio, running on one of my VMs. We're going to be using this PowerShell script to create a new user, and I'll walk you through each part so you know exactly what I'm doing. Now, we need to import the ActiveDirectory module into PowerShell. Pretty much this allows us to use the AD command and to let's just use the AD command to import anything in. Next, we need to define the user details. We'll give the username something basic. Well, we gave it JohnDoe, and then the last name we would also use specific. Now I am currently on my domain controller, and I'm going to show you guys that there is already an OU for admins, and then in the admins group there is no account called JohnDoe in this account currently. So the problem with creating an account that doesn't have a password is I believe it's by default. It will get automatically disabled, and then you have to enable it and create an account password for it. So I just feel like it's a security is more of a security risk if you have a password applied to the account. But then you have to have a really long complicated password for it to do that. That's if you're running like a script in the background where it automatically creates the AD accounts from like a web page or something, and then it populates this for you. That could be a handy situation. But for this tutorial, we're going to be doing without a password. Now, if we open PowerShell on this computer, on this server or VM, and then we can copy the script from this test VM-ish. And now if we copy and paste the script here, because we've imported the PowerShell, the AD module, it should just automatically populate and then work just as fine. Now if you go back into AD and we refresh it, you will see there's a new user called JohnDoe. Now, like I said, it is automatically disabled because that's just how it's gonna do it without a password, because there is no password on it. So if like for example, we can reset the account, but it's gonna be disabled. Now if we can enable the account, so we have to create a password in order to enable the account. So we can put in a complicated password like, I don't know, like something very basic, and then bam, and then now we can enable the account. Now that is an extra step for, I guess, if you don't want to, if it's like an important account that you're preemptively setting it up to use later on, or if it's for a user that you want to like either someone important or anything, those are some use cases for disabling the account first and then doing that. That way there's no account set on it in general. That way, I mean, in that case, you cannot even get him to use the account if he has all the members already on it. But that's pretty much the use. That would pretty much be, I guess, a use case for not creating a AD account without a password. I can't really think of any right now, but that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll be back with more videos like this or PowerShell. I've really been enjoying doing some PowerShell stuff recently, so making more videos like this. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye bye.